Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of Every Shortcut Counts. Today, we want to talk about multi-carets, how you can use them, and why they are awesome. Let's go. I want to show you that from the last time I didn't execute the commands inside of the terminal. For that, we have to write, of course, dart, and then go to the bin folder where I am at the moment, and then main.dart. And if we execute that, we can see now hello world from the example the last time, if you remember. And on the other side, I created also for Android Studio, easy shortcut that executes me the code. For that, you have to press here the plus sign, and then dart command line app. Here you enter a name that you want to specify. So for me, it is every shortcut counts. And then you have to select the file where you want to execute. So I select now the bin folder, and there we have the main.dart. And with that, you can just press the green icon or the shortcut for that. And as you can see, the run will execute your script. So now what I want to show you today is the so-called multiple carets or carets above. And usually there is not a key set for that. So I would really recommend that for you because you can really impress other developers if you use something like that. We use the clone below. I will set now the keystrokes for clone caret below on Command Shift 1. And on Windows, I would recommend you Control Shift 1 and caret above on Command Shift 2. This is how I set them. Of course, you can check whatever you like. But if you go now into something like this and you get the development task like to do, this needs to be a string. And now we have to remove all that text around it, and we have to remove here the string wording, and here we have to replace the string. And of course, we are developers, so I would write here integer, and I would go back here, and that is a lot of work. And then I have to change this to integer, and so on and so forth. That costs a lot of time, and let's be honest, it's not really efficient. We want to make that faster. So go back to how it was before. And now with our newborn skills with the key shortcut, we can now press Command Shift 1. And as you can see immediately, I select multiple rows, multiple and carets. And with that, I have the possibility to quickly change something like that. So for example, I want to have here string, and then I select, for example, here, I want to select this and say integer. I want to go behind. I remove all of that stuff, remove of that stuff. And you can see you are much faster with that. You don't waste so much time with just writing the stuff, even though you have to change all of that. You are done in seconds instead of minutes. And this is amazing. It is one of the best tools that Android Studio has. And I really recommend you to try it out. You will impress other developers. You will be much more efficient, and it looks just amazing. So that's it for today. Every shortcut counts. As always, Android Studio is awesome. Go for it. On the right side, there is the subscribe button for my channel. It would be amazing if you would subscribe to me and follow me for the next topics. If you give me a like, it would be encouraging me to do this topic more often. And on top of me, you can see the 2 videos that you are maybe interested in. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your week. See ya.